Celebrity financial coach Lynn Richardson uses her quick wit and humorous style to help others face their money issues.
Some say money talks, but I say money walks away from you quietly and you don't know where it went. It would be nice if a dollar said, I'm about to roll bounce up out of here, and when you come find me, I ain't gonna be there. It would be nice if it actually did talk, but it don't.
Whether speaking across the country or in her books, Lynn's no-nonsense approach inspires her celebrity clients and everyday people to achieve personal, financial, and spiritual harmony.
I am Lynn Richardson. I am a wife, a mother, and a celebrity financial coach. I help people all over the country, the world even, heal their money issues with a little bit of truth, a lot of love, and some realness to go along with it. When it comes to money, sometimes they call me the Medea of money, which means I might tell you something and you might have to say ouch or amen or both. But the truth is this: if you begin to ask yourself the truth test on each money transaction, you'll be financially free. So here's the real deal. If you drive a car you can't afford, that's a lie. If you live in a house you can't afford, that's a lie. If you go out and spend money on clothes that you cannot afford, that too is a lie. Some say the truth will set you free, but I say first it'll piss you off. Yes, you may have sacrificed the wedding that was beautiful, but if we spend $7,000 on a wedding and go home to an apartment, or $7,000 on a wedding and we go home to broken dreams, bankruptcy, creditors calling us, car breaking down, all the things, then what we have to do is ask ourselves, is it really worth it? Whether I'm coaching a celebrity, a VIP, a corporate executive, or a single mother, it really doesn't matter what your status is. What matters is what you do with what you have. You need long-term care.
Right.
Because if something happened to you, you can't call my kids because they're going to be busy polishing my nails,
taking care of you,
and taking care of me.
Okay.
You need to get your own kids or get you some long-term care.
I'm going to get some long-term care.
All right. Most often people come to me for money issues, but they find that in order to solve a money issue, they got to solve some other issues. So I find myself being a therapist, a counselor, a friend, a sister, a minister, a bodyguard. Yeah, because sometimes I got to beat people off. Whatever it is, whatever it takes. I'm Lynn Richardson. I'm the Medea of money, the mortgage guru, the real estate queen. I am the money doctor.